In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar chart using Tableau Public. Whether you're just getting started with Tableau or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through each step seamlessly. First off, ensure you have the Tableau Public app installed and open it. Once you're in, go ahead and access your worksheet. This is where all the magic will happen. With your worksheet ready, begin by dragging the order date field to the Filters pane. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for narrowing down your data to the time period you want to visualize in your calendar chart. Select the month-year option and proceed to click Next. Now, you should see a panel where you can specify the year. For instance, you can choose a specific year like December 2019. Next, drag the order date field again, but this time to the columns area and modify it to show weekday. What this does is allow your chart to display each day of the week as a column header, which is a classic feature of calendar charts. Afterward, take the order date once more and place it in the rows section, altering it to show the week number. This will organize your chart by weeks. Now, for better visibility and context of your data, change the view to entire view. This helps in ensuring everything fits seamlessly on your screen without any part of your visualization being cut off. Next, drag the profit field to the color section in the marks card. This step enhances your chart by enabling it to visually reflect profit values through varying colors. It's a fantastic way to get quick insights into your data's performance across different time periods. Following that, take Order Date and drag it onto text, changing its detail to show day. This ensures that each cell in your chart is correctly labeled with a date. Then, click on Text to adjust the alignment to your preference, ensuring that your data is neatly presented. For the visual representation of your data, change the chart type to square. This gives each data point in your calendar chart a uniform shape, which is visually appealing and easy to interpret. Now, to keep the view clean and focused, right-click on an axis and select Hide Header. Enhance the interactivity of your chart by dragging the order date to the tooltip. After doing this, click on the tooltip and edit the text to retain only the order date and profit information. This keeps your tooltip informative yet concise. Finally, click on Order Date in the Filters pane and select the option to Show Filter. This will add a filter option to your chart, allowing you to dynamically adjust the view. Finish off by navigating to the legend and selecting Single Value dropdown. This interaction tool makes it easy for anyone viewing the chart to select and focus on specific data values. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a calendar chart in Tableau Public, providing a compelling visualization of your data over time.